Well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. Bird's a word. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word. Well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word. Well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is a word. Well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word. Well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Well, a bird, bird, bird.
It's just because you can never be too safe when dealing with latex poultry. When the chicken finds the correct card, it will squawk. It's not squawking. It's a rubber chicken. You have to make the squawking sound. No, that's not it. Oh no, we have to do it one more time. Are you left-handed or right-handed? With your right hand, I want you to do this. Don't get ahead of me, folks. Hold that chicken up high. Dig in. Now wait a minute. Do you want help? Do you want help? Okay, good, because I've got a flashlight. Go ahead. I don't know. What do you find? That's gross. Oh my gosh. What is that? Do you want help? Never mind. You don't need help. It's an egg. It was inside a chicken. And inside that egg is a card. Folded up. That's right.
MAMOW.